That is pretty much a test of our video for today. So I've got quite a few interesting things to show about Solana. All right, and so let's have a look into crypto bubbles first. What we can see over here is a bit of a retracement overall in the market, a bit of sea of red. However, we got QNT up 18%. We've got England token 9.4. TIA is around 11%. We also got Rose 13.7. We've got Axis 17, Mina Protocol 15%, and TIA 8.4, same as LDO. But right then, okay, we are going to talk about Solana. So why Solana price is up this week? The recovery in Sol price appears to be driven by Ethereum gas fees spike and Solana's airdrops such as Bonk. Solana price has jumped by more than 60% in the week ending December 24th, hitting $118 for the first time in the 18 months. All right then, okay, so let's have a look over here at Twitter. What do we have? New ETH NFT Whale says he saw a PFP NFT on Solana he likes. So if Ethereum whales are going to migrate to Solana, that is possibly a huge upside potential. Let's have a look on this one. Breaking agrees that it's a good idea to run it back to Sol and make it cross-chain where holders can bridge back and forth between Solana and Ethereum. So another bullish news over here in terms of crypto community on Twitter. Have a look at Anatoly Yakovenko, the founder himself. This is his last tweet from 14 hours ago. Let's send Solana to the moon. So as we can see over here, the founder is bullish. He's very positive. There's lots of developments that are going in the backgrounds of Solana. So I do see more of upside potential for Solana. Let's have a look at CoinGecko. In a 24-hour time frame, we are retracing a little bit, but obviously that was expected. Currently, market cap is around at $47 billion, 399 million, and 24-hour trading volume is $5,628 million, which are huge numbers. Obviously, that was expected, that pullback. Let's have a look at 7 days, guys. So as we can see over here, we got steady growth on the 7-day time frame. So that is something that we shouldn't really be worried about. Okay, that's pretty much a chance for us to load bags. I would say that probably the train for Solana is on the last station and it's going to depart, especially after January. All right, then let's have a look at DeFi Llama and let's check what's going on over here. So if it comes to the total value locked is at $2.3 billion. And as we can see over here, the price during the bull market was around $250–260, and the volume over here was growing. And as you can see, that huge spike in volume over here, as well as total value locked. Let's zoom in to see how things are going in perspective when we are going to zoom in. So the reminder, right? Total value locked is in blue, which is growing constantly. The volume is constantly growing and the price started picking up. Of course, we will see, we are going to see retracements and pullbacks on the way, but obviously that is very bullish. If we are going to look at the volume, which is in green color, and compare it to actually lack of volume that was representing in the last bull cycle, and the price was around $250, we can imagine what Solana is going to do during this bull cycle. But all right, let's go to trading view and let's have a look firstly at the weekly time frame and how we are dealing on a weekly time frame. So obviously we can see aggressive uptrend over here on a weekly. And we are currently hovering at that resistance level, which is a very strong resistance level. As we can see over here, we've got one confirmation here, here, and here. This is very long-term resistance, so obviously that's something expected. As you can see over here, the RSI is currently at 85, so on a weekly Solana is in overbought territorium. However, it might not really respect that RSI and go even higher. All right, then let's have a look at a daily time frame and let's see what we are dealing with over here. So as you can see over here, guys, we are pretty much fighting with that resistance level over here at $111 price, and RSI is on the overbought territory as well at around 79. So that daily candle is going to close in 20 hours. I'm going to keep you updated. If we are going to close above that resistance, that is going to be a very bullish sign for us, and we can expect a higher upside potential. Let's see what we are dealing with on a 4-hour time frame. As you can see over here on the 4-hourly, we have closed above the resistance level, which is a very good and bullish news. Of course, we can expect something like that because it's quite psychological that many people are going to sell. Many people also have accumulated a year before when Solana was around $8. So that was a huge buying opportunity, as you can see over here. Let me just find it. All right, so we saw that was $20 and we saw that dip around here, no, even before. There you go. So we've got around $8. That was the best time to dive into Solana. I've dived in a little bit, however, I was late to the party and I started accumulating my Solana over here. So my portfolio is currently looking green. However, I'm keeping and holding that Solana. If we are going to look over here now, if we are going to zoom in, we can see that we are forming a triangle, as you can see over here. If I'm going to take it that way, so that also on a technical level is a bullish sign. We are going to hover and squeeze, and the question is, are we going to see a sell-off pressure or upside momentum, and hover to the next resistance level, which is around $141. I'm going to definitely keep my Solana. I will keep you updated. I'm very transparent in terms of my profits, so I'm going to let you know. At the moment, I'm currently on around $2,000 profits with Solana. All right, then, so let's have a look over here and let's check how much money we could potentially make with Solana if we are going to dive in at the moment. Let me just pick Solana over here, and we are going to invest 1000 USD at price of roughly $111. And if we are going to sell at price, let's say $1000, we could potentially make $8000. Alright then, guys, let me know in the comments down below if you have dived into Solana earlier, if you are thinking about diving in at the moment, or what is your uptake on Solana in general. Alright then, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Peace and love, crypto.